Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Chevy Cruze headlight bulb. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a new headlight bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set before starting any work. Safety is paramount, so take a moment to confirm these steps. Now, open the hood and identify the headlight assembly you'll be working on. Now that we're ready, let's access the bulb. You'll find two 10mm bolts holding the top of the headlight assembly in place. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove these. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This creates enough room to reach behind and access the bulb. Next, locate the electrical connector attached to the bulb and disconnect it. With the old bulb exposed, it's time for the replacement. Gently twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to unlock it from its housing. Carefully pull the bulb straight out. Remember to avoid touching the glass of the new bulb, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Now, insert the new bulb into the housing, aligning the tabs, and twist it clockwise until it securely locks. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, making sure it aligns properly. Now, reinsert and tighten the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier to secure the assembly. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly. You've successfully changed your Chevy Cruze headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.